Update for the 30th on the overall market. Going to go over SPY, the dollar, the VIX, and the 10-year yield. Let's see what we see on all these and put the pieces together to see if the thesis still holds up that the market's going to go higher. On SPY, I see A, B being finished now. We bottomed at around 373. And this is definitely not an impulse move. So I think that we are good to go to start the C wave. I would be looking for a target of, we're looking for anywhere between 412.98, pretty much 400 to 412 is pretty much my target, maybe all the way to 415. As you can see, we have resistance there. Maybe a double top from these moves back here in early June. This was a 61% retracement. So if we take the fib retracement tool, went back to about the 0.61 fib. So this is looking like a zigzag pattern, which would mean that we would go higher on the C wave. So besides that, not really that much to look at on SPY. I'm just expecting it to start moving higher. And my target date-wise is probably for 412, if you look at the line, somewhere in mid-July, so maybe OPEX. So maybe we get a move similar to this right here. Like, it's already started the first wave, but that's on the 1 hour time frame. You can't see it on the 4 hour. Maybe we get something like this. There. It's already July 5th. Let's see. Draw it out. More like this. Like that. And then a pullback. Something like that. So maybe 410, 412, something like that. But I'm expecting it to, you know, drag on for at least a couple of weeks and finish somewhere around in there. I had previously said early August, but I'm not sure if it's going to drag on that long. And I'll look at the dollar and show you why I think that. The dollar, well, I guess the dollar could take longer. This is on June 15th, so it's been 15 days to finish a second wave. So a third wave is usually the longest. Maybe that will take about 10 or 15 days. So anywhere from July 15th to early August is going to be the top in the market, in my opinion. But on the dollar, I'm expecting a move down here to 102 still, bounce, and then maybe like 101. This should be a good temporary relief for growth stocks. We should see a bounce in growth stocks and then get them ready for their last leg down into the fall. So if we get the dollar down to 101, then I'm expecting the pop up here to like 109 all the way to 110 going into September. So we're getting close to the top of this dollar move, which is kind of nice because I've gone over before what happens after this 5-wave move. We retrace all the way back down here to 90 to 85. And so you're going to see the market melting up. You're going to see growth stocks, everything going because the dollar will be weaker. And so prices have to go up. Not only in the stock market though, but prices are probably going to go up in the store as well. So make sure that you are staying in the market, mostly in the indexes, because I don't know. Sometimes I think the growth stocks, even when they have the right things going for them, they just manipulate them so much. It's worth just being in like SPY or ETF. So there's a dollar. We're looking for 101 over the next couple of weeks to a month. SPY looking for 412, maybe by 7:15. The VIX, can't really use Elliot Wave on it, but I'm still thinking that we got basically these are all ABC patterns. Maybe this is ABC, and now we're doing, let's see, ABC, ABC, I don't know. This is really kind of hard to read right now, but this right here is 1, 2, 3, 4 bounce, and it should get one more push down here to the low 20s. So that would actually be hold the bottom of this. So this could be basically 1, 2, so A, B, C, and we get that pop up here. If we're looking for the bottom in September, like late September, then I think there's a possibility that this could go all the way to 50. The VIX could go to 50. So 22 and then 50. Like I've said in previous videos, a target for me on the downside of SPY is all the way at 338. And so if we go to 412 to 338, what is that? That is an 18% drop. So 412 to 338, 18% drop. It's going to have to be a huge move in the VIX for that to happen. And so I think 50 is very likely. And then we get the dollar going higher. And yields, I think this is the end of the fifth wave and we're going to fall back. But I'm not really paying attention to them that much right now. My target for the second wave is 1.91 all the way to 1.53. It looks like this is probably it's starting to move down here. I don't think this is a second wave and then we're going to move higher. I think this is the end of the fifth wave and the start of the A wave on the way down to here. So that's the update. Summary, SPY to 415 over the next month, and we're starting the C wave currently, which should last minimum of 15 days or so. So let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm putting out these videos at least 3 times a week on SPY and going over the dollar, the VIX, and the 10-year yield, because if you look at all of them, you can get a better idea of where we're going to go. So, yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.